guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is row number 4. Yep, this is row number 4. I showed you guys yesterday row number 3, so today will be row number 4, which is pretty much, I would say, 95% purple, and then the others are like dark brown, stuff like that. And then tomorrow will be the final. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna do that today, and we're just gonna jump right in. As you guys see that I did not do any intro because I was like, I just want to get this over with because I'm hungry and I want to eat. So I already did my eyebrow. I did not clean it up, so let me just put my hair back. And how are you guys liking my upload? Like, is it good? What do you guys think about how I'm doing with the Jaclyn Hill palette? Like, I never see anyone on YouTube do this. I think I'm the first one, so hooray to me. So to clean up my eyebrow and to bring it all the way down, and guys know I use my Fenty in 380, and I'm gonna clean up my eyebrow with that, and I'm gonna take it all the way down to my eyelid. Okay guys, so did all of that. I did not set it, so it's still a little bit wet, so let me hurry and start putting on the shadows before it starts to get creased up on me. So now we're gonna go into the infamous Jaclyn Hill palette, and first thing first, we're gonna work with these colors. As I said, the second to last row, and I'm gonna go into this transition shade right here. This one is called Next, so I'm gonna start with Next, and I'm gonna take it onto I have so many brushes and I still don't know which brush to use. That is so crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go into that, and I'm gonna take it onto this brush right here, and I'm gonna focus that into the crease, and I'm gonna tap it on. Like, I'm not gonna blend it out, I'm gonna tap it on, and I have no clue what look I'm gonna do, none. So I'm gonna go ahead and just build it up, and I'm also gonna put it all the way in, right in, so it's gonna be like a C shape, a round shape, just like that. And as you guys can see that I'm like building it up. I think I should take a smaller brush. Let me go ahead and take a smaller brush. And guys, it have a lot of fallout into the pan, like a lot. Okay, so with a smaller brush, I'm gonna take Dance Party, and I'm gonna take that one. Hopefully this works. And I'm gonna put it right on top just to blend out the harsh line, just right up top. And I'm gonna lightly blend it, really lightly, and just infuse out that line. Okay, so now that I infuse all that line in, I kind of bring it a little bit up to this, a little bit up to my brow bone. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cheating because, well, I'm not really cheating because it's the same palette, but I'm gonna take one of the color from a different section and put it right underneath my brow bone, like right here. And the color I want to use is, let me find a brush first. I want to use Certified, which is the first one right here. This one is really pretty, and I kind of like it. When I first used it, I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit because I want underneath the brow bone to be a little highlight. And this, I think it will definitely, you know, look good. So I'm just gonna take it right underneath, a little bit. So you see you have a little bit of highlights. That's what I want, okay? So now we use only 2 colors. We use Next and Dance Party. So we have all these colors left. Decision. I don't know which one to take, to be honest. Like, no joke. And I really don't know where to put it. You know what? I'm gonna take Therapy Sesh. This one right here. I'm gonna take Therapy Sesh, and I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put that Therapy Sesh, because I really don't know where I'm gonna put it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take another brush, and I'm gonna tap it. Very pigmented. Dust off a little bit because it's like powdery as hell. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna see how it looked in the outer corner, which doesn't really show up. But I'm gonna see what I could do. And as I said, guys, it's really hard to create a look with all these colors, because I'm trying to show you guys, you know, how all the colors will look on me. As I said in my, when it's gonna be my Wednesday video, I will show you a look with this palette that you could wear out. I'm showing you all the colors right now on my lid, and then we're gonna do a look. So don't be alarmed. Okay. So I put that right there, and I'm kind of doing like a halo look. So I put it here, and then I put it into the inner corner, and then I connect it up top. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. So now I use that one, which is called Therapy Sesh. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lid, because I want to put Empowered and A Moment onto the lid, which is the shimmer shade. I haven't used Tipsy Girl and Lolly Mama yet. I don't know where to put that. I really don't know where to put that, so I'm gonna use my Kat Von D and just cut the lid right into the center, because I'm thinking I'm gonna do a halo look. So I'm gonna go into Empowered first, which is the shade right here. All right, let's see what happened. And I'm gonna take that just right on the tip, right here. And it's going on very, very patchy. I'm wondering it's because the concealer is still wet. I'm not swiping it on. I'm just tapping it on, and I think this is a pressed pigment, so you guys know I cannot use my fingers because I have on nails. So let me just take my time and pat it on. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into A Moment right here, the first one, and I'm gonna take that, and hopefully it's not the same way how the other one was. I'm gonna put that right onto the top and see how that works. Oh, I don't see nothing. Wow, what is going on? What the? Okay, let me use another brush. I am wondering if because it's wet. I don't know. I'm gonna use this brush right here. And as you can see, it is coated. Look, okay? All right, it's coming on. I don't know what happened, but I'm getting colors now. Okay, look at me with these weird ass colors on my lid. Oh Lord, help me Jesus. I think this brush make it work better. I don't know, but it did went on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it did went on. All right, so I'm gonna go back into Therapy Sesh, which is this purple one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just fix the side, because the color was fading. Okay guys, so I only have two colors left, and it's Lolly Mama and Tipsy Girl. So I'm gonna take that, both of them, and put it under my eyes. I'm gonna take Lolly Mama first, and I'm gonna see how it look. I'm gonna take it onto another like really tiny brush, very tiny. I don't know why these have to be so powdery though. Like, it's very powdery, but it is what it is. It ain't mine. I'm gonna tap it on. Okay, so now that I tap it on, I'm gonna go into a pencil brush, just like this, and I'm gonna take Tipsy Girl and just go ahead and just blend out the bottom just a little bit, because I know that it's gonna fade if I do blend too much. It's so crazy because under my eyes it look mad dark, but into the pan it's like so bright. Like, what's going on, Jaclyn? What's going on? I don't know. Alright, so with that now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm wondering if I should do a wing with this or just leave it like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that, but I'm gonna put a line. And then I'm gonna use my favorite mascara of all time. Well, one of my favorite, the Bad Girl Bang mascara is my fave. And then this one. Okay guys, so this is a finished look. I went off camera and did my makeup because I really don't want this video to be too dragged out, because it's all about the eyes and the eyes only. So I went ahead off camera and I did everything, the other eye, foundation, concealer, all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's talk about this again. Okay, again. All right, so pretty much I have one more row left, which will be tomorrow's video. Okay, sorry, I was eating nuts. So I'm doing this one now and talk about these colors. Okay, so let's go row by row. All right, so we're gonna be doing this really quick. So a moment I love, like, look at my eyelid, even though it's very subtle, but I love it. Like, I feel like I could put the whole thing over my whole entire lid and it will look so damn pretty. So I really love this. It had a little bit of fallout. And Trap Balm, what is it called? Therapy Sesh. Therapy Sesh is okay. It shows up, but it doesn't show up bright like the way how it show up in this. But I think I could get used to Therapy Sesh. Lolly Mommy is okay. I like Lolly Mommy. Like, I could work with Lolly Mommy, even though it doesn't show up bright like how it is into the pan. But I think I could work with Lolly Mommy. Tipsy Girl, you're really tipsy for true, because doesn't really show up much on my lid. Okay, so you're a really big question sign. Empowered, oh, Empowered, I really love. As you see, that is at the bottom right here onto my lid. I really love this. Like, I think I'm loving all these shimmers and the pressed pigment in this palette. Like, seriously, no joke. Next, next is my shade. I love NYX. I could do a brown transition shade with this any day, anytime. Dance Party is okay. It doesn't show up bright like the way how it show up into the pan. Like, in the pan it is mad bright. Like, I wish it show up like this, but it doesn't. But it's okay. All right, so tomorrow's video gonna be all of these bottom shade, and then I'm done. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do a nice look with this palette that you could wear out, so that you can see how it look if I'm gonna choose a color from this to wear out. So this is the final look. It's really pretty. Like, okay, it's fine. Like, the colors, the purple on me is really nice. I like purple on dark skin girls. Okay, so that's it. Sound off down below. Tell me what you think about this look. and the colors on my eyes. And yeah, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you're gonna buy it or if you already did, and let me know what's your thoughts about it if you already tried it before. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment, and make sure you turn on your bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. And I will see you tomorrow for the final row. All right, bye guys.